The little portion would be 25%. Oh, no. 25% of it's covered that's margin. But you get in a portion of it. And then they'll pay you back.
They're writing it down. Like, oh, if I get 21 though. And after the house is paid, all the story.
Alright, come on.
Headlines.
Sure, buddy. Oh, yeah? Cool. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of the three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Yeah, Emma. That's my favorite. Not because I asked for Emma. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, it's Emma's house. Speak loudly, kids. Awesome. It looks like a warm up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try scoring 3
Have a good one. Yeah, man.
See you later.
See you guys. See ya.
Yeah, but I have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness. You think? Yeah.
And
I'm not that
I'll
loud.
take somewhere along tomorrow.
Oh, nice hit there. Woo!
Ah.
Huh? You picking her up?
Oh, my brother's here and I'm not taking brother.
Okay, yeah, on that thing.
I could brought it, dude. Too bad, it's on the I was one time trying to get
Mike must come back with
somehow did you there? Oh my goodness, that was like a weak ass throw down at his feet.
no shit.
There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton out of New Jersey. Oh, they had almost Jersey.
Like that. Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls.
I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he or me? No, you can go.
What's your name?
John.
What?
What's your last name?
Ashburger.
Yeah. Well, you can take it down.
Well, I already know we're 9 points to that.
That's freaking awesome.
Is it? Like down in Tarnatown?
Down by Bulltown. I know where Bulltown is.
Is that what's called Georgetown? We just call it Bullfrog.
Yeah, I could hang out at Bullfrog Inn for a little bit and get some drinks on. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, man. Well, you got two sisters.
Oh, you guys got your team. Yeah, I actually got 40 to go.
You can go later on.
I'm not sure about it. You gotta take some people
Everybody's like, Intercourse is gonna win.